Hello. This is my project. This is my progress with the current game project that we've been working on. This week, following this week's lecture and the and our and the instructions and the what we went over in class about how this works. I finally got I finally got the projectile to shoot in the direction of our camera facing now, which going over it and going over the camera controller script, just to show that I recall how it works. We're we're using input get access on mouse X and mouse Y position with the delta time to basically keep track of where the mouse is moving, and then we have the rotation. The mat we have math F clamp, so which keeps our camera from just completely like going around and round when we scroll up, like we went over in the lecture. And to control the camera with those, we use these the yeah we use these values being influenced by the input get access to then transform the local rotation of the camera, and here for the player, so that the player turns around with us as we move, and this one camera dot main, so that the camera then also moves as we with the mouse, and they're both here so that they move together, with y being with the y rotation being because the player needs to just needs to rotate in place, while x for the camera, it's so that it can also rotate in the other axis, so it can also like move around. And for the and after basically being stuck on it for forever with how the fire position was supposed to work, and finally going over in class, now know that I had to change fire position, like basically advec the position instantiation for the fire position at its the position of fire position compared to before, which was like the position of the player, which wasn't changing, which uh, which was a really small detail I didn't notice in class, because of just the fact it's only like a very small line of code that's being changed. Yeah, with that you can, and as you can see, this is still very much the same game project I've been working on, like I submitted before. Over here in the distance is is the little arena I showed off for uh, the arena that where I showed off the wrecking balls and whatnot. So, and you can see the layout's significantly different than the completed version we were given. And with that, that's about it. Thank you for watching.